Today we will guide you how to cancel, edit, or change your Mando perfume auto refill subscription. So let's get started. First, visit login page. Link is in description box. You should then see the Manage Subscriptions button above the login section, which will take you directly to the subscription portal. Alternatively, you can access your subscription from your account by logging in and clicking the Manage Subscription button above your order history. From the Your Next Order page, you'll see the option to Send Now if you'd like to process your subscription order immediately instead of waiting until the next scheduled order date. You will also see the option to reschedule the order or skip your next order. If you have multiple subscriptions that ship on different dates, you can use the side menu to view upcoming orders or manage subscriptions to see your other subscriptions. To cancel a subscription, click Manage Subscriptions from the side menu to view all your subscriptions. Then click Manage this subscription under the item you wish to cancel. You will then scroll to the bottom of the page to see the canceled subscription. You will need to do this for each item you wish to cancel. They can also assist with any changes you would like to make to your subscriptions if you provide instructions for them. Please note, changes made to a subscription after it has processed will not be effective until the following renewal period. Any current subscription must be canceled within one business day prior to the upcoming billing date shown on the My Account page. Any changes that are not made at least one business day prior to the upcoming billing date will not be effective until the following billing period. Once an order has been submitted into our system, depending on the timing, we cannot guarantee that we can cancel or make changes to it. Please double-check the items in your cart and verify the accuracy of your billing and shipping information before confirming your order. They do not refund or replace items that have been shipped to an address that was entered incorrectly.